How are you doing?
I'm doing all right.
Sergeant English with Missouri City Police Department.
How you
got
doing?
some ID on you?
I do. Have I done something wrong?
Nope. I need to ID you though to find out who you are.
Or
Because at this point, you're a suspicious person taking video and photos of a police department. And so we want to identify who you are at this point.
suspicious person, is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
You're a suspicious person. We're investigating who you are while you're taking photographs of the police department. So I do need to see your ID. Please.
Okay. I'm just going to tell you what I'm doing.
Yep.
All right. I'm just here. I was taking pictures of the building,
Okay.
those signs right there. I see you guys got two chiefs of police, or assistant chiefs, I guess they are.
Yes, sir.
But I'm not doing anything. I'm going to get pictures of the
Okay.
fallen officers
Please.
memorial out front.
Okay, that's fine. We still need to see your ID, please, sir.
I'd rather not give my ID.
Sir, you don't have a choice at this point. I'm asking you to identify who you are at this point as a suspicious person call that we just dropped taking photographs of the police department. So I do need to see your driver's license, please.
Okay. Am I being detained?
Or
Am I under
or
arrest?
you can provide him with your name and date of birth, since I don't have my pad with me.
Okay. Am I under arrest? Am I being detained? What?
You could possibly, if you don't provide your ID at this point, yes, sir.
Okay.
And I know that you're recording,
Yes, sir.
and we're all recording as well. So
Well, that's good. I like that. I like that. I haven't done anything wrong.
I realize that. But we have a right at this point to identify who you are, since you're out here taking photographs and everything of the police department.
It's a public building, sir.
I understand. I understand.
I'm on public property.
I understand. And we're doing our justified right at this point.
Well, respectfully, I haven't done anything wrong.
Sir, you do not have a choice at this point, and I'm trying to be very respectful. We have dropped a field investigation, which allows us to identify who you are at this point as a police investigation. So please provide your driver's license at this point, or your name and date of birth, so that we can properly identify who you are, and that's it, and then you can be on your way.
Well, if I'm not under arrest. I'm not being detained. I'm just
You
gonna
will be detained if you don't provide your driver's license, because that is a law.
Yes, sir.
Failure to identify is a criminal offense in the state of Texas.
Yes, sir. 3802 says I only
Yes,
have
sir.
to identify myself if I've been lawfully arrested.
No, sir, it doesn't.
You're being detained, sir.
You can be detained, and we can identify you
Okay.
that way. So we're trying
Well-
to make it very simple at this point. If you want to provide
You're,
your, if
you
you don't,
come
then
out
we
here,
will
you're
detain
taking
you.
pictures of a police department, okay? You don't know who you are, and you're right, it's not against the law, but it's highly suspicious. I've identified myself to you, and I'd like for you to identify yourself to us, so we'll know who you are. Simple as that.
Okay, well,
And like Sarge said, once you let us know who you are, you'll be free to go. But at this point, you are being detained.
okay. Well, if I'm being detained at this point, I'm going to exercise my right to remain silent.
Is there a reason why you're being reluctant? I'm just curious.
Absolutely.
Why?
I want my privacy respected.
But yeah, at this point, it's not a privacy issue.
Sure it is.
Because, okay, I need to see your driver's license and your insurance. I mean,
My
your
insurance.
your driver's license, sir, for identification.
It's okay. A lot of guys make that same mistake.
Yes, sir.
But respectfully, I'm going to decline.
Place him in handcuffs until we get his.
Okay, I'll obey any lawful commands you
Yes,
give me.
sir.
I will not resist in any way, shape,
Okay,
form, or
I
fashion.
understand, but we need to identify you, and since your failure to identify, we need to find out who you are at this point. Do you have your driver's
Sergeant
license on you?
Englishby?
Yes, sir.
I do not have my driver's license on me.
Okay, do you have your name and date of birth?
I want to remain silent. I don't wish to give any information that might incriminate me, and I would like an attorney.
You go ahead and hold on to the camera before you say no damage
Okay,
or
got it.
anything. Okay, and I'm just going to pat you down just for my safety and yours. Do you have anything on you?
I have no weapons, nothing, not even a pocket knife. I have batteries for my cameras, a pair of
Bring
sunglasses,
him into the lobby.
stuff like that.
6 Bravo, 6083, 6 Bravo, 6083.
I cannot believe you guys just be like this. I'm an investigative journalist. I'm out here gathering content for public consumption. Came out here to get pictures of your fallen officers
You
memorial.
don't know what you're doing.
I just told you what I was doing. I told him what I was doing.
That, but you were reluctant to tell us anything at this point, and all we're
Reluctant to tell you stuff that's not your business.
and that's the simple realm of it all. You could have been provided us your name and date of birth, and we would have.
You don't get to go into my pockets.
Sir, I'm trying to.
You're detaining me. You don't get to go into my pockets.
You have any ID on you, sir?
I'm not answering questions.
Okay.
Okay. Why will you not give us your name and date of birth?
It's none of your business.
Of course, it is our business.
It's none of your business.
Sir, it is our business. You're taking photographs of a police department and everything
And the
else.
fire department.
And so we have a right to come out and
And the
find
fallen
out why
officers
you're doing
memorial.
that.
I told you what I'm doing.
Okay, but we need to identify who you are.
No, you don't.
Yes, sir, we do.
No, you don't.
As a field investigation, yes, sir, we do. As a suspicious person taking photographs of the police department. And so we're trying to find out who you are, and as soon as we do that, you're free to go.
It's none of your business who I am.
Yes, it is our business,
No,
because
it's
that's
not.
the law.
I haven't broken any law.
It's the law to identify yourself to a police officer, sir.
3802 says I only have to identify myself if I've been lawfully arrested. You're just detaining me. I'm not trying to make this difficult. I just want my rights respected. That's all. And if I'm not breaking the law, I have the right to be anonymous. You don't have a right to my information if I've not done anything wrong. Is the chief here? How about you get the chief out here? You're really going to want to get the chief out here. Trust me on this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So who are we going to tell him is out here?
I'll tell you what. You bring the chief out here, and I'll tell him who I am. I like that sign there. Integrity is doing the right thing even if nobody is watching. By the way, you got these cuffs. I think they're a little too... No, I can get my finger in there. You're all right. You're all right. They just feel too tight. But no. Did you double lock them so they don't tighten up on me? Okay,
Can
thank
you
you.
loosen up a little bit?
No, they're okay. I can get my finger in there. They just feel... It's been a while since I've been in a pair of cuffs, so...
Okay. And like you said, it's no problem for you taking pictures and any of that, but based on circumstances, situations, we basically just want to know who you are, that's all.
Person commits an offense if he intentionally refuses to give his name, residence, address, and date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person and requested the information. A person commits an offense if he intentionally gives a false or fictitious name, residence, address, or date of birth to a peace officer who has lawfully arrested the person or lawfully detained the person. So there's the statute with the full requirements.
That's the verb.
That's all we need is your name and date of birth, then you're released from detention, and you're on your way.
I'm engaged in a constitutionally protected activity. You cannot criminalize a constitutionally protected activity
Sir,
for the purpose of detaining
As far as a field investigation, a police investigation, we are justified in identifying who you are.
Okay,
And
I'll
that's
tell you what.
we're basing this on.
I'll tell you what I just told you. Okay? Bring the chief or one of the assistant chiefs out here.
Will do. Can you come let me in?
Yes, sir. I can loosen it if you need me to.
No, they'll be coming off in just a minute.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I know.
You guys just had updated training on this. Public photography.
4745
Did you get the updated training this year?
Yes, sir.
On public photography?
Yes, sir.
numbers available if you're running. That's one around. I did you have a question? But what did you show me my ears? Okay.
How are you?
I'm doing good. But you're not going. You're not going to have a good day.
Why is that?
And who might you be?
I'm the assistant chief.
Hold on, sir. Hold on a second.
I'm not resisting in any way, shape, or fashion.
I never said that.
Okay.
Listen, at one time did I say that?
And you're just out taking pictures, is that what you're doing?
Standing on a public sidewalk,
I'm aware of that, I'm just asking you a question. You're just out
taking
pictures?
photographs of anything I can see from the public street.
Have a nice day.
Oh, no, 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 no. You wanted my information? Where's that other gentleman?
Who?
The other guy.
Are you just freelance? Are you just freelance, or are you doing? Oh, okay. Okay. Have a nice
Oh,
day.
no, keep it.
Okay,
You're going to want it.
okay,
By the way, you guys are being live streamed to the internet right now.
okay, okay.
Did you figure out who I am yet?
No? No. E. David Warden. Have a nice day.
You too.
Okay. All right. Anything else we can do for you?
Oh, no.